Alright guys, so this is the front 3-inch spacer lift installed. I did not install the rear yet, so yes, it is a squatter right now. Hopefully today I can work on doing a little alteration to make the rear kit work, because either heavy metal suspension either sent me the wrong spacer lift, or maybe I ordered the wrong one. I don't know. If I can't make the rear work, I'm just gonna reorder a rear kit. I found one for like 29 bucks, so it's really not that big of a deal. So that's what it looks like for now. Hopefully we can get the rear on there. There we go.
You going?
Yep.
Oh yeah, she's loose now. I gotta remember not to walk in front of the goddamn camera. Yeah, once they're all in a general workspace, perfect. Nope. I pulled myself. It should go down now. Got it? Work! Like, I wonder if you cut here and here.
Yeah, off.
Or whatever.
The thing is, instead of cutting it right down, let's cut it back of here, and back of here. So when it's on there, it's so tight that it won't allow it to spin.
Later. Alright guys, so I got the truck back to the house. The lift and tires literally been stopped for like 18 hours maybe. And the differential pinion seal decided to blow out. See how it, you can kind of see it. So I'm gonna rip this differential apart and see what we need, because we gotta get this back on the road. Radio keeps going on.
It's not having it.
Everybody's probably like, these motherfuckers stuff.
Every night it's something. I let him borrow my tool and he continuously beats it onto metal.
Oh yeah, you know what? They got a cool little notch right here for you.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. It's that little knot so it can slide out.
Yeah, that's convenient. Way to go, Dodge.
Oh.
There you go.
Okay.
Man, you know it sucks. I have to take this whole chunk out.
What? Oh, shit, the whole left side.
Axles have to pop out too.
Oh my god, this turned into a thing.